Hey there, County Nation. This is Tobin at Virtual Storefronts with episodes 42 and 43. Saturday morning, day 6 of 7 days of 8 broadcasts a day. So we are at the Andrews self-serve car wash with my in-town car here, the Jaguar, the 1997 Jag, which is an amazing car. Unfortunately, I had to drive up the mountain. If you didn't see the pitches yesterday, I did one pitch coming down the mountain road in the Volvo, and then I did a pitch coming into town in the Jag. The Jag had to go up the mountain because of, well, I'm doing these every hour and timing. So what I did was I needed to come to the car wash and get the car washed, right? So why am I doing a self-serve car wash with the Jag? I could just, for the same amount of money, I could just go right over here and get an automated wash and just take the car through that. Here's the deal. If I want this car to be done correctly, if I want to wash it correctly, if I want to get under the wheel wells, if I want to do it right, sometimes you have to do it yourself and you just do it manual. And my background, I worked for 20 years using enterprise businesses, like using enterprise services as a photographer in Manhattan and Minneapolis. And I'll tell you right now, I had all the best tools available to me. And then I started working with smaller businesses in social media marketing in 2010, and I figured out they had garbage in terms of like how to market because the major tech companies had not provided a real solution. So I realized that it was time that we took things into our own hands and did it ourselves and create a solution that really works for the local business owner. Who doesn't have the time to do it, but is an enterprise solution. That is the origin story of Virtual Storefronts. We have now created that solution here in Andrews, North Carolina, and what we need to do is share it with the rest of the country. And that is why we're raising money this weekend. Last day is tomorrow. You can purchase actual equity to give us the fuel we need to make this available in Omaha, Nebraska right now. That is at Wefunder Virtual Storefronts, and you can just Google that or just Google Virtual Storefronts, you'll find it. But the point is that we want you to join in on us to get this solution that the biggest tech companies in the world have not been able to solve. You now have an opportunity to solve this problem and bring our product all over the world and make a beautiful result as a result. Like, it is, sometimes when you do it yourself, it just ends up a lot better. And that's why I created Virtual Storefronts as a solution to years of myself running my own businesses, working with websites and all of the complicated back end, just to streamline it. So now we offer it for $199 a year to any business and $18 a month. So that's Virtual Storefronts. It's the yellow pages for the 21st century. It allows local businesses to compete with McDonald's and Walmart, which already have all of these solutions in place. And it's 2023. It's time to get this solution in place for SEO and for website solution for the local businesses. That's the deal. And we're raising money to market it across the country and sell our product to anyone who wants it. We want to make it available to your main street. That's what we want to do. So send this video to someone, share this video in a group, and spread the word, because the people that already are familiar with Virtual Storefronts are already familiar with it. They're going to invest. What we want you to do is tell the people who you know who might invest that this is happening, and it's ending at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow, Sunday, April 30th. That is the last time anyone can purchase a piece of Virtual Storefronts. So now is the time to do it. Do not hesitate. Let's DIY, and I'm taking it to you because we think that you can make the solution happen. This is a community problem, and a community solution is an appropriate way to go. Quick note on the Social Security numbers. The reason that Social Security numbers are collected is because you are making an investment, and the government needs to know that, so that in the future, when dividends are paid and you're making money on your investment, the government knows that you are associated with that payment. They're not going to let you get that dividend without reporting it. So that's why Social Security number is required at Wefunder. All right, that pretty much sums up everything. Invest sooner than later. And let's take this DIY solution all the way across the country.